Did you ever write down your business values on a paper or share it with others? And is it necessary for us solopreneurs to do so? I would like to share my thoughts on this subject, on this topic in today's video. Hi, warm welcome. Let's talk about values, and not really personal values, companies' values. I know that some mentors, they do such an exercise like write down your personal values. I think it's always nice to be aware of what are your values, but you are not now looking for a partner for life. So your personal values might not always be your business values. Because of course, if we are talking about personal values, almost everybody will tell that family is on the first place, right? So there is no really conflicting information, and it's not something which is very necessary for our business. On the other hand, I really think that it's very good to put down on a piece of paper your company values, your business values. And we know that all big companies, they do that. And I'm sure that you agree that it's really important to do that when you start to hire other people, because you want them to be on the same page. And of course, the company's values are basically your values for the company, because you are the founder. So you want that other people value the same things as you do, as you want them to do in their work. And I believe that it might be even beneficial to write it before you want to hire somebody, and start to do this mental exercise as early as possible. And what I believe the values are, or you will see when you find a conflict in information. Maybe you will see other consultant, coach or trainer do something you don't like. And then if there is this contradiction and it does something, it triggers some emotions in you, these are values. You have different values. And you want to put it down somewhere on a piece of paper or in computer, because this might be something which will differentiate you, your company, among other the same service provider. And the same goes for me. So there are other mentors, and we differentiate between us, sometimes based on the processes, sometimes based on for who we are. So with what kind of people we work, and sometimes we differentiate also because we have different personal values. Also, our company will have different values. And I would like to give you an example. Client, and we see it as a contradiction when you put client versus profit. What is important? When there is a decision to be made, when then values, the priorities come in, what is more important for you, profit or client? Well, for me, it's client. And I'm sure that because you are watching this video, you might share the similar value. But you will agree that not all other consultants who are doing something similar as you share this value. I would like to go through what I have prepared for us, what are our values, so that you can see what I mean. It will be more tangible. And also you can borrow some for your business if you feel like there is a fit. Because if you are following me, there might be, of course, a fit. So when I was thinking about our company values, I have found 7, the most important ones. So let's start. First one is less is more. That's what what is important to me as a person, for my company, for my teaching, and that's what I help also to do for my clients. We really value simplicity. And this is really the first things we do with our clients. We sort of simplify their business and also life. And yes, this value can be personal. It's also a business value because it's not the same, right? You might have other mentors, other school who are actually, for them, it's not a priority, the simplicity. They might have other priorities. They might have the priority to be somewhere fast. So they want that you are present in all 10 different places at the same time. So you might work hard. So it might be, they might have different values. So for us, is less is more. And it's in the same in our teaching, in our company. And we believe the quality over quantity. And the simplicity is very important because it let us keep focus and excellence. And these are our two other values. Focus, laser focus. I think that that's what it's necessary to have a thriving business. And we usually lose focus because there are so many things present in our lives in possible business ways that then we are lost. So client focus is, it also means that, as I previously explained, if there will be sometimes a decision to be made, is it profit or client? So our preference is on clients. The third business value is excellence. And we have high standards for ourselves and also for our clients. And I know that definitely this is not a value many other business mentors share, because for them it might be momentum. And they will say you go with the least viable offer, go out, even if it's not perfect, do the imperfect action. This is something we don't teach. We don't believe in it because we have high expertise. We are working also with experts who have a big expertise and they have their names, they are building authority in their field, so they don't want to have imperfect actions. So this is our value, and it also reflects in our work. We go deep, far deeper than other schools in problem solving and solution finding. What is good for our clients? So this depthness, this going deep, it's what we do with our clients, but also what they do, because it's in our teaching. These are our programs. So we spend a lot more time in, for example, preparing offers, programs. And some other schools, they might just focus on marketing, how to present what they have, but they never go into teaching what they should actually teach, how they have to onboard, what experience to create for their clients, what exactly their clients needs. So we go really deeper and longer on this one. Our fourth principle is value higher than price. And I think that here, this is maybe just the difference between the normal service provider, old school service providers, when they were going from company to company, trying to sell, to pitch their services. And in our space, how we do that is we offer a lot for free before somebody come into our space. And also in our paid programs, we provide greater value than the price. And that's our philosophy. I think it's far easier to sell as a solopreneur this way. So this is what we do. And this is also what we teach our clients how to do that. Fifth value is creative thinking and long-term thinking. What I mean by creative thinking, so now we don't do copy-paste strategy. We choose for each of our clients their own strategy, which is different than the client B. Client A will have a different strategy than the client B. And this is really important, especially now. Out there, many business mentors, they want to scale and do it the way that they choose just one strategy and onboard everybody into this one. But we see that it is not really a big success for the clients, and only a small part of the students achieve the results. So we believe in your unique way. Your personality has to be also in your business in all the way, not only how you deliver your services, but also how you market and sell. So we infuse your personality into your business, and we believe this is the only way. So that's why creative, because we don't do copy paste. It has to be always created first. And I love this process. I'm a creative person, and I believe you too. Long-term thinking, that's something which is important. So I see this mostly mainly in a men words or maybe some other nationalities that they prefer to have results very fast. They even promote how to do it in 1 month. You will be millionaire or something like that. So for us, we are here also for long term. We have the intentions to be here. I would love my school and academy to be, even if I will not longer be live. And we are also helping our clients to think long term. And when you make decisions based on long term, you make different decisions when you are just here for some profit or just to be rich overnight. The sixth value is integrity, commitment. This is what we value: integrity and honesty in our clients, in our partners, and that's what we want to do as well. And also we require high commitment, and we are committed ourselves 100%, and we want our clients and partners also to be committed 100%. So no 50-50. And it goes so far that, for example, even on the onboarding calls, when somebody would like to work with us, and when they fill the questionnaire and there is no 100% commitment, then we just don't want to work with this person. And we admit in our programs only people who are 100% committed. So this is quite important value, and it is also maybe something which differentiates us from others. And the last one is scientific and spiritual. So I didn't know actually how to really tell the world, and later also on my employees and for our clients and the rest of the world, how our work is different. And I believe is different because we look at you and your business holistically. We believe that you as a business owners, you have to thrive also as a person, because you are the most important part of your business. So you have to be healthy. You have to be emotionally resilient. You have to have the right mindset. And all these things are actually, what I mentioned, are not really business related. And although I am business mentor and coach, I do teach and take care also of these other things, because it's so important that you as a client get results. And if some baggage you have, maybe already a long time and from your childhood, is unsolved, it just makes a complication also in your business. And that's why, for example, I was learning and becoming expert also in other parts, not only in business, in marketing and sales, but also in healing and dream building and energy and other solutions. And it's all scientifically based, many things coming from neuroscience, which is great, but I also acknowledge that all these have been already found out far before the science pointed out this, and it was in all spiritual teaching. So I believe in it's a combination. It's when there is these intersections between the scientific and spiritual, that's what we take for us, for my life, for our business, and also for our clients. So that was it from our side. These were 7 company values we shared at Expert Success Academy. And I would like to challenge you to come up with yours, and you can copy from me, from others, those they are your true values. And maybe if you don't know yet, then you can make some space. Yeah, that sometimes in the future, when something happens, when there needs to be a decision, when there is a conflict, then you will see what are your values, how you solve this conflict, and you will see what is important for you. And you can write it down then, so you will see that this is you, this is your business, and it will be unique. All the best to your success. You can like and comment and subscribe. We would be very happy if you leave us a comment what you like in our videos and what not. It helps us to prepare the best content for you. Thank you.